Good afternoon and welcome to this forum on best practices for Resources and Relationships Foundation. I'm David Ong. I'm the secretary to the PFI board, and on my immediate left I have Toussaint Jonofar, executive director of PF Benin. Toussaint is one of the founders of Prison Fellowship Benin and a key person in the national ministry. Under his leadership, Benin has built excellent relations with government agencies and foreign parties, and as a consequence of his leadership style, PF Benin has been granted an Accord de Siege. He's also a consultant in agroeconomics with the German Development Agency, and PF Benin has been very successful in attracting resources for the ministry. To his left, we have Stephen Lee, who's the chairperson of Prison Fellowship Hong Kong, currently president of Bright China Holding Company and chairman of the Peter Drucker Academy in China. And to Stephen's left, we have Tobias Merkel, who is the executive director of Prison Fellowship Germany. Tobias leads the residential faith-based program for juvenile delinquents as an alternative to prison. He re-established Prison Fellowship Germany after having worked at the PFI office for 3 years, first in the European office and then in the Secretariat in Washington. And to the left of Tobias, we have Aurora Belandria. Aurora is the president of Prison Fellowship Venezuela. She's a retired teacher involved in prison ministry for 18 years, now working closely with the Catholic Prison Pastoral Care. And to her left is Arthur Bolkas, Director of Community Restoration of Prison Fellowship Victoria of Prison Fellowship Australia. Arthur was raised in a Greek immigrant family in Melbourne, Australia. He excelled in school and studied arts and law at university. And while studying for his degree, he got into the drug scene and soon ended up using armed robbery to support his drug habit. After a 7-year sentence, he was released in 1983, and Arthur has completed his master's degree in criminology and gained a Winston Churchill Scholarship in 2000. Arthur is currently on the staff for Prison Fellowship Victoria as the Director of Community Restoration. In this role, he leads the pre- and post-release program called Lives in Transition, or LIT. And then to his left, we have Olga Clark, chairperson of Prison Fellowship Bahamas. An educator by profession, Dr. Clark is a senior civil servant in charge of student affairs with the Ministry of Education in the Bahamas. She has provided solid leadership to Prison Fellowship Bahamas for several years as its chairperson and executive director. Under her leadership, Prison Fellowship Bahamas has built a halfway house known as the Higher Ground Transitional Home that provides critical support to inmates transitioning back into society.